Okay, I'm gonna get mackerel. My friend called me that the mackerel is biting. So from work I came fast and fixed one rod because I noticed that the pier closed at 10 again. So I'm gonna try to get some mackerel before 10. It's already 9. I hope I have 1 hour. I hope we get some fish. And let's see if that's true. Someone told me that there's too many mackerels, but it's what they told me. But they said the mackerel are small. It's perfect. It's what I need. So let's see. That's what I need. The small mackerel. I hope they biting here also. It was a long walk from the parking lot to here, so I need mackerel. I have 3 hooks on the line. Maybe I'm gonna put one light if they're not biting. Maybe the other side, we never know where the fish is. Okay, gonna look for the light. Maybe I need the light. So I'm just gonna tie it. I don't have a special clip for this one, so I'm just gonna tie it on the hook stick, the line directly. I hope it will gonna work. That's it. I don't need a special ghost stick. I'm gonna use the one. I put a ghost strip on it. The ghost stick is good for fishing also, for mackerel. Let's see if there's a mackerel now. Haha, woo! It's far away. Wow, that's true, the fish is biting now. This is the mackerel. Look. This is the mackerel. Wow, that's the mackerel. It's not big, it's very good size. Not very big, but they biting now. I have one. I need at least 20 of them for bass, but tangle my hand. One. I need at least 20 mackerel. I'm gonna use them for bass fishing, for bait. And let's see if the bass is gonna bite the mackerel. I don't like to buy squid. I remember like 2 years ago I used squid a lot. And each box is like $8 now. So I don't wanna buy squid. I just wanna get some mackerel and use them for bait. I think it's cheaper get bait, live bait from here, from the shore, and don't buy bait because it's expensive. I fish every day. I'm gonna use some first for bass tomorrow morning. I have one fish now. The light is not so strong, so but the fish is there. Oh yeah, it's on now. Slowly biting, it's not very active. I have two. Okay, so I have three hooks, very small hooks. I think the size are very, very small. Number size 12 hooks and size 10. That's what I'm using. Three hooks. I made it not sabiki, but I made it. Okay, I have one ghost stick, not for the. It's not special ghost stick for mackerel, but I don't have the mackerel ghost stick, so I'm just using the rod ghost stick, the one you use for rod, and I'm using it. It works. Right now, see the biting here. Yeah, I have one. Yeah, now the mackerel is biting fast here. Oh yeah, one by one. It's not the whole hooks. I don't have three fish on the hook, but at least they are biting. See, at least they are biting. Oh yeah, the mackerel is not big. It's just medium size, maybe. Like, they're not big, but they are biting. This one I'm gonna use for bait. The mackerel is very good for bass or any big fish. So if you wanna try them, let me show you in the water how it looks right now over there. I'm gonna leave this one. I want to show you how it looks in the water right now. We open this. They jumping on the water. All those, the one jumping is the fish. All that are the fish. It's like boiling. Gonna use for bait to get the bass. The mackerel is biting now, so we have bait for bass. I go to get the bass in the morning, but I'm gonna use mackerel as bait. So let's see how many bass can I get on it. Okay, see you guys. I have to go to get the bass. Today I'm gonna try to get a big fish, and you can see over there is the wash pier. I'm gonna use mackerel. This is my mackerel. It's what I'm gonna use today. Mackerel is a very good bait for fishing, but it's what we're gonna use, mackerel, and see if I can get a big fish on mackerel today. That's my bait, the mackerel. That's what I'm gonna use. I hope I get something big on it, and let's see what's there. I have to set up now and go fast. It's windy, very windy. Fast. Try to get something on mackerel. Only have mackerel today to do fishing, so I go fast now and see if I get something. I done my first cast. Let's see if something's gonna bite now. And if something's gonna bite, my line is so far away. So I hope there's a big fish now to get something big. The night it's hard to see. The camera lens is not for this kind of place, but I hope the fish is gonna bite. Something is on, something big is on. Something big is on. Look guys, what I got. Let me turn on the light so you can see this. Show this thing. What I got here. Look, very nice bass. Let me put the look, that's the bass that I got here. Very nice, fat, big bass or mackerel. This is my first bass right now, but have 5 minutes. Get the first one. And the mackerel, the one I got on the pier. The mackerel is very good. Okay, I'm gonna get another one, and I hope to get another one. I'm gonna try again, and let's see what can I get. This is like let's say like 20 inches maybe, 20 or less, 20 or 19. Okay, let's get another one. Come on, it's my bass now. There's the pieces of mackerel. The little pieces of mackerel. And there's a tail of mackerel. That's the mackerel tail. I have chew bait. I go cast again and see if I get something. Okay, have to go again. Guys, I have the second bass. You can see. Let me show you. This was a good fight. See, the second one, the second calico on mackerel. You can see the mackerel in the mouth. Let me blow the light a little bit so you can see it in the mouth. You can see the mackerel over there. This bass was so nice. It's this one is like 19 inches. It's not very big like the other one, but it's like 19 inches. I'm gonna get another one. This was really good. Try to get another one now. I'm gonna use the same bait. It's still good. The same mackerel, the one bass. I'm gonna use it again. Maybe I'm gonna put another one for the other two. I see the tail is very good. The tail is so good for fishing. Okay. Let's get another one. A lot of fun. Okay guys, I'm gonna cast now. I go to cast far away again. Go cast again. That's a baby rockfish. That's a baby. It's not a big one. It's just a baby. Like 12 inches maybe. I have to release it. It's a rockfish. I got this one on the mackerel. It's a rockfish. I got it on the mackerel. It's a small one, like 12 inches. And I'm gonna release it because I don't gonna take the small rockfish. It's too baby. Before I get a 15 inches, that was big, and I got on 19 inches here also. Rockfish, big one. I'm gonna release this one. 1 hour fishing, 5 a.m. to 6. Right now it's let's see what time is it. 6:01. Yeah, I start 5 a.m. and right now it is 6:01. Let me focus it so you can see. 6:01 a.m. So I started like 5:15 and always 1 hour fishing maybe. I got 2 big bass and now what I have to do is wait the last cast and go home because maybe the surfers are coming. My line is braided, it's 80-pound braided and it's very strong, so I don't want to tangle a surfer because they can get hurt. So I go home after this cast. But the day it's starting very nice. I'm fishing here in SoCal, California. I don't say the places. The reason is not because I don't like to tell people where I fish, or the problem is if someone come here get problem with surfers, and then they can complain to me, or they also can get mad. And the other thing is people leave a lot of trash. When I go to the pier and walk at night, too much trash. That's also, there's another guys that they sell fish. They fish to sell it to the Asian market, so that is not good also. So that's why I don't show the spots. And always, sometimes I get 2 fish or they leave me. So when I fish with my friends, I will take a lot of fish, but we share them between us. I don't take all of them. It's always if someone come far away, doesn't want to take the fish, or sometimes we just give them to Jason, Ahmed, anyone who wants fish. But I don't take the fish all the time. It's beautiful morning. You can see the Oceanside Pier that side. That's the line over there, is Oceanside Pier. So that's the bass I got today. Both Calico Bass. No, the way you see mackerel, chopped mackerel. It was a good day. I lost many of them, and I only got 1 hour fishing. I lost 7 fish. 1 hour, 5 to 6. I stopped fishing at 6, so 1 hour.